How to promote affiliate links with ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a quick look at how you can get started with promoting your affiliate links with ChatGPT. So let's get into it. Now, you might have never thought of it before, but ChatGPT is a tool that can really write up anything for you. It can be super creative, and if you're able to create a prompt that is going to be helpful in starting your business and setting up your affiliate links, it can really be helpful. So I'm going to be showing you guys the prompts that you can use to promote affiliate links. Now, before we get into ChatGPT and affiliate links with that, we need to find out where are we going to get our affiliate links from. So there are a lot of different websites that are promoting and they are looking for affiliates. You have websites like Dr. Cash, it's a neutral worldwide CPA networks, and you can click on affiliates over here. This platform primarily focuses on nutrition-based affiliates, so they're looking for people to promote things in the nutrition and health industry, and you can just click on join us over here. You will just enter your basic information. So you can just go on ahead and enter your affiliate information. Now I'm just going to verify my account and you are just going to paste it over here. Now, after you have filled out all of this basic information, you will be led to the Dr. Cash affiliate platform. So this is what your dashboard is going to be looking like. So in your dashboard, you're going to see leads, campaigns, statistics, offers, and finance. So we're going to head on over directly into offers and you will be able to see all of the different affiliates that are available. You can do the same with CPA Grip. CPA Grip is another tool that allows you to find multiple different affiliate programs and you can choose whichever platform you want. There's a very large plethora of affiliates that need promoting right now. So once you choose your affiliate, so we're gonna look at some of the Dr. Cash affiliates. So you have search, you have offers. You can choose the type of offer that you want. So you guys can see there are a bunch of different offers and you can choose to promote the same, like similar products, and that can be a little easier to promote. Then you have the country where it's going to be promoted, and then you have the model. So what I want is I don't want to focus too much on the rest of the stuff. I want to focus on the payout. So you can choose your rank according to payout as well. So you can choose the highest payout that is possible. But let's say we have this over here, which is Capsiplex CPL, which is in the diet and weight loss category. This is the price that I'm going to get, the approved rate, and the payout. So then I have the overall ranking as well. You're just going to click on this over here. Once you click on it, you will get this page and you can click on send request and you can add your traffic sources. And you can just click on send request over here and a request for this will be sent to the affiliate. Now, it doesn't usually take super long for your request to be approved. Make sure you're just filling out the info correctly, but you want to go on ahead and start promoting this product. So we're just gonna proceed with the assumption that we got the product. You can do this with CPA Grip as well. CPA Grip actually has affiliates from all over the world and they don't require accepting approval, so you can directly start promoting CPA Grip items. And Dr. Cash does have this, but it is usually because their products are usually medical grade or related to the health field, hence why they need proper promoters. So with that, once you have your product approved, how can ChatGPT help you promote your affiliate? Well, ChatGPT can help you promote your affiliate quite a effective and natural manner. So, what my strategy with ChatGPT and affiliate marketing is, I go on platforms like Quora. Quora is not a platform where you actually expect affiliates, and a lot of people don't even realize, but they end up leading to affiliate marketing websites and affiliate links, and they end up getting those things off of Quora because Quora is a platform where people think that it's just natural, where people are just having conversations rather than promoting products. It just seems like a question and answer platform. So we still promote products on Quora? Well, with this, what I do is I take my product. So let's say, for example, I get Capsuplex CPL, which is a diet and weight loss pill. So what I would do is I would go onto ChatGPT. So what I've basically done is I have provided it with a prompt saying, can you write an article on how to lose weight effectively? That covers a more general category. And then in the last portion, mention how diet pills are the best option for people who can't seem to lose weight. So what it's going to do is it's going to write the article or answer. And what I can do is I would go on to Quora and I would search for weight loss or how to lose weight, and what is one weight loss tip that really works, what are some effective and easy weight loss tips. And these people have asked these super basic questions and I can just reply with my chat gpt answer. So you guys can see the role of diet pills. Now it's expanded on the role of diet pills, and what I'm going to do is I would enter reply with this and be like, hey, you should but if you are, because this is such a long answer, Quora is not going to flag me for adding one link in it because I'm covering a lot of different bases, and in the end I'm mentioning one product and it's not going to be detected as a affiliate. And what I would do, and then once I just copy and paste it, I would be like, hey, and if you want to check out some diet pills, you should check out Capsuplex. And I would just leave a link to Capsuplex. And in this way, you can promote your affiliate products with ChatGPT. You can do a lot more with ChatGPT as well. You can ask it to write descriptions if you're looking to build landing pages for your product. Then you can also ask it to write all of the content for a landing page as well. So you really have a lot you can do, but the core strategy is a simple way that can be used by anyone, and that is super easy to get started with, because you can just close this video once you're done and you can just start with this strategy by yourself. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for approvals, nothing. You just have to get started and follow this strategy. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to promote your affiliate product. You can promote any kind of product. It could be email marketing, hosting, or anything else. And you're now able to get started with ChatGPT. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.